This is Bucky. He's a good loving dog. Okay, so Bucky's got some kind of, I don't know. It's like almost between the cross between heartworms and kennel cough. People say it's kennel cough, but if he has kennel cough, then why hasn't she gotten a kennel cough in the past year and a half? So my ex dumped them with me. Alexander Hudson dumped them with me. I really have no financial way of supporting them. I buy them food. I feed them. I do whatever. It's almost like he's coughing out food. And I don't know what to do for him because he's a good dog, but I just don't know what to do. So that's what happens when you get dumped with a dog that already had a previous condition. He's part American boxer with pit, but he's an extremely good dog, and I don't want to put him down. So if I could take him to the vet, if people could help me with the vet expenses, man, it would help me out a lot. But I don't want to put him down, man. I've already had to put down a dog before, and you look at how pathetic he is. God damn, you just don't know what's going through my mind when I think about putting down a dog. I hate doing it. I don't want to do it, but if I have to do it, then I'm going to do it. So if people out there will help out, I'll take him to the vet. If there's no alternative, then he's just going to have to get put down.